Hi, it's Steve here from Leading Dental. Today I want to go through just a really quick overview of what a Bur Stopper is and why we use it. Now, what we've got here from NSK is we've got our standard FX65 workhorse straight handpiece. I've got next to that two of the microsurgical range. So these are the NSK SGA-E2S and SGS-ES. Now these are a dedicated microsurgical handpiece. They take a long shank surgical burr. You'll notice that the shank here is a lot longer on these. They do take that longer burr. Now, let's say we want to use a standard HB burr in one of the surgical handpieces. Well, what we're going to do is we've got to use one of these. We'll use one of these Bur Stoppers. Now, when you order the Bur Stopper, it comes with the screwdriver as well. So what we need to do is we need to grab our handpiece. We need to make sure that it's unlocked so that we can drop the burr in there, or the Bur Stopper in this case. We put our Bur Stopper inside, let that sort of go through. Then what we're going to do is we're just going to get our screwdriver and we're just going to tighten that up and we're going to lock it. You'll feel that lock into place and our Bur Stopper is now in there. So it's not going to fall out, it's threaded in. To remove the Bur Stopper, we just put our screwdriver in again. We unscrew the Bur Stopper and of course if it's unlocked, our Bur Stopper comes straight out. So that's our Bur Stopper. So that's how we convert our SGS or our long shank surgical handpieces, the SGS range and SGA range, into taking one of the shorter HB burrs. I hope that's helpful. We'll put notes in the of all the model numbers and part numbers and that sort of thing. Give us a call at Leading Dental, email, all of the usual if you need to get in touch. Thank you very much. Have a great day.